Hello everybody. Today it is time for Mario's Lessons for Cough Cough Part 5. Let's get started. Lesson number 1 is just a quick recap. We've also made a Part 1, a Part 2, a Part 3, and a Part 4. Yeah, we've made Part 1 through 4, and now we're making Part 5. There's not that many lessons though, but I have memorized some, so yeah. Lesson number 1 is just to tell you, always wash your hands after the bathroom, because duh. Lesson number 2 is poop on the couch. Always poop on the couch. I'm just kidding. When you cough, put your hands over your mouth when you cough. Lesson number 3 is always wear a mask if you're going into a store. If you don't wear a mask, then don't go into the stores. It's as simple as that. Now, one time I went to the store without a mask, and I wasn't successful enough to get sued, so they just kicked me out the store. And now I'm never allowed there again. But anyway, yeah. Lesson number 4, watch TV with your family or just do anything with your family. See, coronavirus and the pandemic is the perfect time for you to spend more time with your family. It lets you play board games with them, do homeschooling with your mom and your parents, and you could literally just sit around and watch TV. It's a paradise. Yeah, guys, do you like watching TV? Yeah, Mom. Yeah, Mom, do you like watching TV? Yeah, Dad, do you like watching... I don't have a mom or dad. And if you're wondering how I was born, I was a game character, okay? I don't know my real parents. But anyway, back to the lessons. Lesson number 4, I think, 4 or 5. Don't litter, because it would be spreading your germs onto the ground and someone could pick it up. And I don't even know why they would pick it up, but if you put it in the trash can, then it's not going to really do anything. It's going to give you more germs. So yeah, that's why you don't really pick up litter. Unless you didn't drop it, then you put it in the trash can. Okay, now this is a bathroom lesson. Now Luigi never does this. Luigi, get in here. Okay, but anyway, lesson number 5 or 6 is use toilet paper, especially through the pandemic, because you don't know what could be happening. Luigi, you never wipe your butt with toilet paper when you finish the toilet.
Okay, sorry.
That's getting germs, Luigi.
Right, out of here. No, another one.
I don't know what you're saying.
Just leave it.
Leave what?
Right, okay, disconnected.
This is 2 people arguing. That's something you should not do in a pandemic. People arguing.